Hey there, my friends. You've probably been told for years that oatmeal is the healthiest way to start your day. Maybe your doctor mentioned it, your neighbor swears by it, or every health blog online praises it. But what if I told you that advice might actually be working against you, especially if you're over 60? Why? Because while oatmeal fills your stomach, it does very little to rebuild your muscles. And at our age, every breakfast is either helping fight off sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle, or silently fueling it. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this video, you'll know the one breakfast that protects your muscles, boosts your energy, and keeps your legs strong, even as the years go by. And I promise, it's simpler than you think. Oh, and before we jump in, take a quick second to hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Where are you watching from? I love seeing all of you tuning in from around the world. Let's start with the elephant in the room, oatmeal. Sure, oatmeal has been praised for decades. It's warm, comforting, full of fiber, and yes, it's great for lowering cholesterol. But here's the truth. Most people, and even some doctors, don't tell you. Oatmeal is almost entirely carbohydrates and very low in protein. For someone over 60, that's a problem. Why? Because your body needs protein first thing in the morning to signal muscle repair. Without it, your body can actually start breaking down existing muscle for energy, a process called catabolism. Think about it. You wake up after 8 hours of sleep. Your body hasn't eaten in all that time, yet your muscles are trying to maintain themselves. If you fill up on carbs alone, your body may start borrowing amino acids from your own muscles to power your morning. That's right, your oatmeal could be stealing your strength. Hi, I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and I've spent the last 7 years helping men and women over 60 maintain strength, energy, and independence through proper nutrition. Here's what I see every day. The men who thrive in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s aren't relying on the traditional breakfast they grew up with. They're strategic. They understand that breakfast isn't just about calories. It's the foundation for how your body performs all day long. And the secret? Protein, timing, and nutrient synergy. That's what keeps muscles from shrinking, joints from stiffening, and energy from crashing mid-morning. Now let me break down the exact breakfast combination I recommend and why it works so well. 1. 2 eggs, nature's muscle builder. Eggs aren't just a breakfast staple. They're a natural muscle repair powerhouse. Biologically, each egg contains leucine, a key amino acid that signals your body to start rebuilding muscle. Think of leucine as the foreman on a construction site. Without it, your muscles don't know they're supposed to repair. 2 eggs provide roughly 12 grams of complete bioavailable protein, ready for your body to use immediately. Emotionally, when your muscles are fueled, you feel steadier, more confident, and less afraid of stairs, slopes, or balance challenges. You wake up feeling capable, not fragile. Practically, you'll notice fewer shakes, more energy, and steadier joints during your morning routine. It's amazing what just 2 eggs can do. Pro tip, scramble them with onions, bell peppers, or mushrooms to add flavor and extra nutrients without compromising the muscle building power. 2. Half a cup of cottage cheese, the slow release protein. Cottage cheese might not win any beauty contests, but it quietly outperforms most fancy breakfast foods. Biologically, it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids steadily over several hours. This is crucial after a long overnight fast. Unlike fast-burning proteins, casein keeps your muscles in a rebuilding state longer. Emotionally, you'll feel satisfied, not hungry an hour after breakfast. It reduces that groggy, sluggish feeling many seniors experience in the mornings. Practically, easy to digest and gentle on your stomach. It's perfect for seniors who sometimes struggle with big meals. Quick tip, mix cottage cheese with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a handful of berries for sweetness, or try herbs and tomato for a savory twist. 3. Leafy greens, your muscle's best friend. Spinach, Swiss chard, kale, or even arugula. These greens are more than just a side salad. Biologically, packed with magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Magnesium prevents muscle cramps and stiffness. Potassium helps your heart rhythm stay steady and muscles fire smoothly. Antioxidants reduce inflammation, the hidden cause behind sore knees, stiff hips, and that general sluggish feeling. Emotionally, you'll notice less joint discomfort, easier movement, and a confidence boost that comes from knowing your body is getting what it needs. Practically, lightly saute them in olive oil for better nutrient absorption. Even a handful of these greens makes a massive difference in your mobility and energy. 4. The breakfast formula. You can follow. Here's your morning blueprint. 2 eggs any style. Half cup cottage cheese, plain or with cinnamon berries or herbs. Handful of greens, lightly sauteed or steamed. If you want variety, swap in kale, arugula, or even steamed broccoli if spinach isn't your favorite. Add mushrooms, onions, or bell peppers to eggs. Sprinkle flax or chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. The key? Lean protein plus healthy fats plus low glycemic carbs. That combo fuels your muscles, stabilizes energy, and keeps inflammation down without the mid-morning crash oatmeal often brings. Now, I know change can feel intimidating. You've eaten oatmeal, cereal, or toast for decades. But here's the truth. Small, consistent changes are what lead to big results over time. Start tomorrow morning with this egg, cottage cheese, and greens combo. Notice how your energy feels mid-morning. Do your knees feel steadier? Are you less fatigued climbing stairs? Make small tweaks to taste and texture until it becomes a breakfast you actually look forward to. Even just a week of eating this way can make your morning routine feel more energizing, stronger, and more confident. Remember, it's never too late to reclaim strength and vitality. Muscle loss doesn't have to define your 60s, 70s, or beyond. Every morning is a new chance to fight back against sarcopenia, regain confidence, and stay independent. The men who embrace this breakfast routine report walking taller, climbing stairs easier, and feeling steadier in their bodies. They're not just surviving, they're thriving. So tomorrow morning, skip the oatmeal. Try 2 eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese, and a handful of greens. It's affordable, fast, and might just be the most important decision you make for your body today. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe for more tips on staying strong and energized after 60. Like this video and comment below telling me your go-to breakfast. Are you ready to try this muscle building routine? Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Small, intentional choices bring comfort, freedom, and strength. You've got this. Let's reclaim strength, mobility, and independence, one breakfast at a time.